When you run, you load the back of your calf and extend through the knee. And if those areas are weak, they get overloaded, which is exactly why knee and calf injuries are so common and why they keep coming back even after you rest. So in targets, we have two clear goals to tell when you're genuinely protected. 15 reps, 20% body weight loaded, 3 seconds on the way down. 8 reps, 50% body weight loaded, 3 seconds on the way down. But before that, we spend time in rebuild, gaining real capacity through 2 movements, with Poliquin step-ups proven to directly grow the patellar tendon, and seated calf raises, building to higher rep ranges with a consistent weekly practice. And before that, to build up your knees and ankles, everyone starts in the Unlock program, no equipment needed, with knee bend pulses as a safe starting point for your knee health, even if you're still sensitive right now, because anyone can regress by just adding assistance. Plus FHL calf raises twice a week, lengthening and strengthening the calf at the same time. And surely anyone can start this route, even if you're in pain right now, because when you take the 2 most overloaded areas and you get strong through progressions that you can tolerate now and build them up beyond what running demands from you, then any runner can get back to running without getting injured. That's what runningability.com is built around. Work through Unlock to rebuild to targets, and running will stop being something that hurts you.